Hello, my name is Christian Raue, and today I would like to show you how we can actually connect an industrial machinery to Streamsheets using the MQTT protocol. Let's have a look at our setup here. On the left side, you see a stream machine, and I already created a stream sheet with some labels, so it's easier for us to get the demo done quickly. And on the right side, you see a factory simulation program called Factory.io, and I set up some sensors and some actuators. Basically, it's a belt, and we have pieces coming in, different colors, different shapes, and we want to sort them in each of those belts that we see on the right side. So it's connected through MQTT, and both are using an MQTT broker. You can see the messages coming in. So they're coming in at a high rate, about 20 milliseconds, get an update. And you see the JSON structure here directly. And we can now simply drag and drop the JSON key value pairs into the stream sheet and link those cells to the corresponding sensor information. So it's done pretty quickly. And if we run the stream sheet, you can see that these codes, the sensor codes, are coming in. And there's a little lookup table on the right side. So you need what number actually corresponds to which field. And now we have here the idea that we also want to control the industrial device using an MQTT JSON payload, and we have to use the names that we defined in the MQTT gateway of this industrial device. So we define a JSON range, and we call this pusher1. And in order to actually have the data being sent to the industrial device, we need to use the MQTT publish function. Of course, there are many functions you can use in Streamsheets, but this time we're using MQTT, producing data, payload that we see here to a certain topic that's predefined. Second I do this, I have the publish function running, but no data yet. But if I enter a false, have a look at the right side, now you can see that the device is actually moving because we have a true value in the cell. And of course, if I put in a false, you can see it's retracting again. Now, of course, you want to automate this so that we hit the right moment. So we're using the names that we defined in the MQTT gateway, so pusher1, and we need a formula. In this case, first of all, we simply are getting the value for blue covers, which is a 2. And then we do a formula edge detect. It's very handy because it finds out do we have the right condition, and also it's able to put in a delay for executing the command. So we have 200 milliseconds as a execution time and 390 milliseconds as a delay. And the second we do this, you can see on the right side that it's actually pushing all those blue covers to the right one. The other ones are not working yet. That's the reason why we have to extend our stream sheet, now using some Excel stuff here to get those data quickly, and also do some formatting here. So it's very easily done, almost the same way as you know from other spreadsheet programs. And now I also have to do the same thing for the formula for 1, 2, 3, and the fourth pusher. Still not doing it because, of course, we have to also adjust the JSON range. Second we do that, have a look at the right, and you see on the right side it's starting to push the parts to the corresponding belts. So that's pretty much the first step of what we wanted to show. Have a look. We can close the stream sheet now, and it's still operating because, of course, the stream sheet is actually running on the server, and we're just using the browser. That's the last picture, and there's going to be a second part to this video where we actually show how we can control this using Snip's voice recognition. Thanks a lot for now.